Hello guys, now I'm going to discuss the topic on hashes. So what is hashes? It's actually a data type in Redis. So it actually acts as a map. It not that act as a map, it actually a map. So if you come from Java background or JavaScript background, you may have the word familiar like map, which stores a key value pairs. So stream here. So here we are going to represent the mapping between the string field and string values. So Redis has just stores a set of field key value pairs designed not to take up much space, making them ideal for representing data objects. So you can do add operation, remove operation, fetching operation for individual items in that key value. So what actually we are going to save that key value which are actually storing is sub keys. So if you see right sides, so the first we are going to give a hash key. We already discussed which should be the unique values. What type of value we are going to use, which is a data type value, is hash. So how it actually stores is this is that. So inside it should be the distinct keys, which should be unique keys. So it can be undefined order. You don't need to be in ordered way. So it can be undefined. So these are the value and value to the respective values which is associated with keys. So let's go to commands. So here these are the commands. First is headset, which actually creates and update the hash. Hget, which actually fetches that respective value for the key. Hgetall will fetch all the key value pairs inside that map. Hdelete would actually delete the respective key. It means respective key values. Increment by it's actually used for increment specific value in there. Exist to actually check whether the data is exist or not. Set nx whether it exists means you can store. If you not exist, don't store. Sorry, if not exist, you have to store. If exist, it's okay. We can override that one. So let's go to our actual implementations. So first headset. So it is asking key value pairs. So first what you have to give is um, event. It's better you have to give more than the event. You can give yes player one. So if you take as a player, there will be multiple things are there. What are the things? First, players age. Okay, 21. And one more is it's not a mandatory you have to give only one. You can give multiple fields and values. So you can give like experience is 100. Um, his name is John. Okay. Yes. So his name, his age, his experience. So I want to get his actual data of everything. So hget. Hget, what it will do, irrespective one of the value, like you have as three things. For player one, you know the name, you know the age, you know the experience. So I want to know his experience. Okay. I want to know the player one experience means hget player one XP 100. Yes, but I want to know all the data. So I don't know the fields of individual, so I want to know all the fields in the field, I mean key value pairs in the respective map or hash. So for that you have to use hgetall player one. You can see first is the key, second is the value. Age 21, XP 100, name John. So I set the value. Now I want to increase age. So it was 22 last year, now it was 23. Or you can say here I am gave 21, so I want to change it to 23. So for that, we have to again give the same key, player one. So you have to know key is a case sensitive. If you give capital, that is considered as different key. If you give small, that is considered different key. So player one, age is 22. Sorry, it has some issue. That let's see. Hmm. Okay, why it's not taking? Okay, maybe it's taking as a string. So what you have to do is you can do manipulation operations like h increment player. Sorry, h increment is not the h increment by. Look the command uh, player one h2. I want to increment by 2 because it is 21. Now I want to be 22. So okay, it turns into 20. It was right. So new property. Okay, okay, okay. I got it. So if you set h set key is player one, okay, player one, and then if you change the experience to 200, okay, so it gives returns value of 0. It means this property already exists. You're just manipulating. If you are adding new property, example like you, um, okay, he's a most valuable player. Yes. Okay. Now it turns 1 because it's a new property. So now I want to delete this key means. So before that I want to get all keys whether everything is got changed. So if you see age is turns to 22 because I incremented by 2. XP changed to 200 because I updated the value into 200. Is most valuable player is MAP and S got added because I created new values. I mean, I added new key value pairs for the respective key in that hash. Now let's delete this key. No. Before that, you have to know. So hash is the key value pairs. Okay. Here the key is player one. Values is the sub key sub values. Got it? So let's delete this one. Let's delete. How to delete this one? We have to give key. I want to delete respective one property only. So I don't want the age. Now age get deleted. Now again, if you see, there is no age. So h it all. No, there is no such thing like h data. So instead h no. Actually, h data is does not exist because there is a possibility that we can delete those respective keys. Okay, so h delete or you can have like okay. So now is how get all. So there are other things are there. I saw key value pairs. I mean, for the respective hash key, I got all the key value pairs, but I want only keys in that one. So for that, you have to go for H keys. So for player one, so you will get all the keys, which is XP name is MAP. But I don't want keys. I want only values. So for that, HVALs you have to use, and then you have to give key name. You will get the values of the respective key of the values. I mean, you will get the values for the respective key. So next is H. I know H keys will get keys and H value will get all the values, but I want to know what's the length of that one, like array length we are finding, right? On map, you can say it's size. So for that H length is you have to give for finding out the length of the respective hash. Length is 3 because XP name and is most multiplier is the 3 property is there, so length is 3. So one more thing is important is H can same like H get is a blocker, H scan is the asynchronous. So key you have to give player one, sorry, one cursor 0 match. You can say like X star. Yes, look, XP, which is the matching property of the respective key. It will search if you have like more than 30 to 40 type of keys or hashes in that properties. So finding out is really hard. So this can will easily give you the values. Or if you know the value, I mean, if you know only the patterns, or XP can be with multiple names. So XB101 game, X203 games. So multiple levels will be their level experience. So that particular time scan will be mostly helpful for your uh, utilizations. So that's all about the hashes. Thanks for watching.